Good morning, children. Now we are going to study organ system in animals. Unit 20, organ system in animals. Unit 19 already studied. Now, organ system in animals. What is organ? What is organ system? Organism that will be studied. Okay? Okay, living things, every living things have cells. That means every organisms are evolved from the simplest form to complex level of the organization. Simplest form to organization. That means cell. Cells are basic fundamental unit of organism. Cells are basic and fundamental unit of organism. Basic and fundamental unit of organism. These are grouped to form tissues. The tissues into organ. The organ into organ system. After that, organs form the organ system forming an entire organisms. Different organ systems of an organism function by developing on one another with harmonious coordination. Every organ systems, circulatory system, respiratory system, and more. Yes, that every systems circulating, doing all work separate, and after that cooperate with that. That organ systems, more organ systems make together to a organism. The different organ system of an organism functions by depending on one another with harmonious coordination. One example I will say, we will ride a bicycle. Yes, we ride a bicycle. Our muscular system and skeletal system work together. Understand? Our muscular system and skeletal system work together to move our arms for steering and leg for pedaling. Yes? Our hand for steering, our leg for pedaling. Our nervous systems direct our arms and legs to work. Yes? Our all systems are work together. Our nervous system direct our arms and legs to work simultaneously. Respiratory, digestive, and circulatory system work to provide energy to the muscles. All the systems work together in a coordination to maintain the body in homeostatic condition of an organism. Homeostatic condition of an organism. The organ and organ systems have appeared first in the phylum Platyhelminthes and continues till mammals. Phylum Platyhelminthes, from the Platyhelminthes to mammals. Similar groups of cells form tissues. What is tissue? Similar. Everybody look at this picture. Single cell, that is a muscle cell. More muscle cells are together to make a muscle tissue. After that, muscles muscle tissues to make a heart, that is a cardiac muscle. That heart is an organ. That organ, heart circulatory system, working circulatory system. Yes, that like first cell, after more cells together to make a tissue, more tissues to make a organ, more organs to make a system, organ system, that is a circulatory system. What are the organs are there? Heart, vessels, arteries, veins, capillaries, that all organs. That are more organs together to make a organ system. Okay? Yes. After organ system, more organ system. Respiratory system, circulatory system, digestive system, skeletal system, muscular system. That like more systems to make an organism. Tissues are organized to form organ like heart, brain, etc. Two or more organs together to form organ system and perform common functions like digestion, circulation, nerve impulse transmission in coordination via digestive system, circulatory system, nervous system respectively. Transmission. Okay. Digestion, that is a digestive system. Circulation in the circulatory system. Nerve impulse transmission, that is a nervous system. Division of labor is found among the various organ system. In this chapter we will study about structure and function of various organ system like digestive system, excretory system and a reproductive system in human being. This chapter we will study digestive system, excretory system, reproductive system in human beings. Okay children? Yes, we will study about circulatory system, digestive system and excretory system. Okay, organ system in animals. One table given here, organ system. Integumentary system. That means skin and skin glands. What is the function of skin? What is the function of integumentary system? Protection and excretion, etc. Organ system, skeletal system, skeletal, that is a bones, skull, vertebral column, sternum, girdle and limbs. More are there. Skeletal system, more bones are there. What is the use of, what is the function of skeletal system? Give support, shape and form to the body. Muscular system, muscle fiber. Muscle fibers are organs. What are the functions of muscular system? Contraction and relaxation resulting movement. Muscular system, because that our hand contracting, relaxation resulting the movement. Nervous system, brain, spinal cord, nerves. These are the organs of nervous system. What is the function of nervous system? Conduction of nerve impulse. Organ system, circulatory system. What are the organs of circulatory system? Heart, blood vessels. Function, transpiration of respiratory gases, nutritive substances and waste products. Respiratory system. What are the organs? Respiratory tract and lungs. What is the function? Breathing. Digestive system, digestive tract and digestive glands. These are the organs of digestive system. Function of digestive system, digestion, absorption, digestion. Digestion, absorption, digestion. Okay. Next, reproductive system. reproductive system, that is testes and ovary. What is the function of reproductive system? Gametes formation and the development of secondary sexual characters. Excretory system, kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, urethra. These are the organs of excretory system. What is the function of excretory system? Elimination of nitrogenous waste product. Elimination of nitrogenous waste product. Next is sensory system. What are the organs? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. These are the sensory system. Sight, smell, hearing, taste and touch. These are the functions. Endocrine system. Pituitary, thyroid, parathyroid, adrenal, pancreas, pineal body, thymus, reproductive glands. These are the endocrine systems. What are the functions of endocrine system? Coordinates the functions of all organ system. Endocrine system coordinate the functions of all organ system. Okay, what are the systems? Integumentary system, skeletal system, muscular system, nervous system, circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system, excretory system, reproductive system, sensory system, endocrine system. Okay, these are the functions, these are the organ systems. Okay, have you understood, children? This one everybody study properly. Okay, this more questions, small question will we can take. Okay, okay, study this table organ system in animals. Okay, human digestive system. Human digestive system, the food we eat contain not only simple substances like vitamins and minerals but also complete substances such as carbohydrate, protein and fats. Carbohydrate, proteins and fats. These complex substances also digest. Vitamin minerals also. The body cannot use these complex substances unless they are converted into simple substances. The 5 stages of nutrition process include ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and ejection. Ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and ejection. 5 stages of nutrition process include ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, ejection. Okay, the process of what is digestion, what is ingestion, what is ejection, what is assimilation, that we will study. Okay, yes, the process of nutrition begin with the intake of food. Intake of food is ingestion. Intake of food. சாப்பாடை உள்ள அழுத்துறது, உள்ள அனுப்புறது. That is ingestion. Injection. The breakdown of large complex insoluble food materials into smaller, simple, soluble and dissoluble diffuse particles by the action of digestive enzymes is called digestion. Digestion means சாப்பிடுறது சாப்பாடை molecules, food molecules into small and simpler soluble and diffusible particles by the action of digestive enzymes is called digestion. The part of body concerned with the digestion of food form digestive system. Parts of the body concerned with the digestion of food form digestive system. Parts of human digestive system. Everybody see the picture? Everybody see the picture? Sublingual gland, submandibular gland, parotid gland. First mouth after the buccal cavity, that one inside esophagus, stomach, liver, gallbladder, splenic fissure, pancreas, transverse colon, descending colon, genome, ileum, sigmoid colon, appendix, vermiform appendix, caesium, ascending colon, hepatic fissure, duodenum. Yes. Semantic diagram you have already seen the cell, mouth, esophagus, stomach, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus. These are the important parts of the digestive system. So, mouth, salivary gland is there. Mouth, salivary glands, esophagus, stomach, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, anus. Okay, these are the parts of the digestive system. Okay, parts of the digestive system. The digestive system consists of two sets of organs. One is alimentary canal, another one is digestive glands. Alimentary canal, digestive tract, gastrointestinal tract. Digestive tract, gastrointestinal tract. It is a passage starting from the mouth and ending with the anus. It is a passage starting from the mouth and ending with the anus. Digestive glands. Glands associated with the alimentary canal are salivary glands, gastric glands, pancreas, liver, and intestinal glands. Digestive glands. Glands associated with the alimentary canal are the salivary glands. Salivary glands is in the mouth. Gastric glands, pancreas, liver, and intestinal glands. These are the digestive glands. Alimentary canal are salivary glands, gastric gland, pancreas, liver, intestinal glands. Okay, these are the digestive glands. Structure of the alimentary canal. Alimentary canal is muscular coiled tubular structure. Alimentary canal is muscular coiled tubular structure. It consists of mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, duodenum, jejunum, ileum, large intestine, cecum, colon, rectum, and anus. Okay, these are the alimentary canal. That means alimentary canal means the digestive all organs. Okay, it consists of mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. Mouth. Mouth lead to buccal cavity is found two soft movable upper and lower lip. Upper lip, lower lip. Buccal cavity is large space bound above by the palate. The separate windpipe and food tube. Windpipe and food tube separate. Okay, buccal cavity, large space. அதில் வந்து விண்டு பைப்பு தனியாக இருக்கு, ஃபுட் பைப்பு தனியாக இருக்கு. Below the throat and sides by the jaws. ஜாஸ்க்கு பக்கத்தில் throatல below by the throat and on side the by jaws. ரெண்டு சைடும் jaws இருக்கு. And jaws bear teeth. ஜாஸ்ல teeth irukku. Yes, everybody know. Yes, that is. Yes, see the teeth. Everybody's teeth like this. Yes, incisors, canine, molar, premolar. Incisor, canine, molar, premolar. Okay. Teeth hard structure. Everybody know. Yes, that we holding, cutting, grinding, crushing the food. Cutting the food, holding the food, grinding the food, crushing the food. Human beings, two sets of teeth, diphyodont, are developed in their lifetime. The first appearance at 20 teeth called temporary teeth. That we know, that's small from the baby to up to 6 7 years. That teeth is baby teeth, milk teeth, otherwise temporary teeth. 20 teeth only. Yes, that is a milk teeth. The milk teeth replaced by the second set of 32 permanent teeth. Milk teeth will fall down after new one will come. There 32 teeth will come. 32 teeth. 2 permanent teeth, 16 in each jaw. 16 upper jaw and 16 lower jaw. Each tooth has a root fitted in the gum. Every tooth fitted in the gum. அது கரெக்டா அந்த ஃபிட் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கோம் கம்ல. The deodont. Permanent teeth are 4 types. Heterodont according their structure. Incisors, canines, premolars, molars. Everybody see the picture? Canine, molar, premolar, incisors. What are the incisors? In front, that up and down incisors are the canine. The ஊச்சா இருக்கும் அந்த பல்லு சைடுல மேலே இருக்கு கீழே இருக்கு மேலே டூ கீழே டூ. That means canine is the molar, premolar, molar, premolar, கடவாய்ப்பர். Okay. Incisor gait, cutting and biting. Canines 4, tearing and piercing. Premolar 8, crushing and grinding. Molar 12, crushing and grinding and mastication. Tyndall formula represent the number of different types of teeth present in each jaw, upper and lower jaw. The type of teeth are denoted in incisors, canine, incisors I, canine C, premolar PM, molar M. The dental formula is presented as for milk teeth in each half upper and lower jaw 20 only. Yes, 2 1 2 2 1 2 canine, premolar, molar. For permanent teeth each in half upper and lower jaw. Upper and lower jaw 2, 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2, 3. That means 16 multiplied 2 is equal to 32. This is a formula of permanent teeth. Permanent teeth formula 2, 1, 2, 3. 2, 1 by 2, 1, 2, 3 is equal to 16 multiplied 2 is equal to 32. Everybody see the picture. Canines. What are the canines? You know. Incisors. Wide, flat, sharp, cutting edge and snipping food. Wide, flat, sharp, cutting edge and snipping food. Canine. Shaped like daggers used for cutting, grinding, ripening, and sometimes called eye teeth. Eye teeth. Canine. Eye teeth. Canine eye teeth. Molar and premolar, flat surface used for grinding. Molar, each teeth large but premolar is smaller. Molar, premolar. Premolar is smaller. Molar is large. Okay. Alimentary canal that have mouth, teeth. Mouth, teeth we studied. Next is salivary gland. Salivary gland. Everybody see the picture. Where is salivary gland? Salivary gland is inside your mouth. 3 pairs of salivary glands are present in the mouth cavity. They are parotid gland, sublingual gland, and submaxillary or submandibular gland. Yes, submandibular gland, sublingual gland, parotid gland. Parotid gland. Everybody see parotid gland. See the book and see here also. Parotid gland are largest salivary gland which lie in the cheek in front of ear. காதுக்கு பக்கத்துல. In front of ear. அது உள் சைடுல இந்த பக்கம் ஒண்ணு இந்த பக்கம் ஒண்ணு. Okay. Pair of parotid gland. Cheek in front of the ears. In Greek, par near otid ear. That means near ear. Ear பக்கத்துல இருக்கிறது. Sublingual gland or smallest gland or lie beneath the tongue. நாக்குக்கு கீழே. Sublingual gland. Submaxillary or submandibular gland lie at the angles of the lower jaw. Submandibular glands lie at the angles of lower jaw. Parotid gland, submandibular gland, sublingual gland. Salivary glands secrete a viscous fluid called saliva. Viscous fluid, you know that, yes, everybody know. Everybody viscous gland, salivary gland, everybody know, yes. That approximately 1.5 liter per day. ஒரு நாளுக்கு 1.5 liter per day secrete பண்றது. Salivary gland 1.5 liter per day. Okay, it digests starch by the action of the enzyme ptyalin amylase in the saliva, which convert starch into maltose. Saliva convert starch into maltose. Starch maltose ஆக மாற்றியது. Polysaccharide disaccharide மாற்றியது. Saliva also contain an antibacterial enzyme. Saliva also contain an antibacterial enzyme called lysozyme. Lysozyme. Antibacterial enzyme. Saliva also contain antibacterial enzyme. இது ஒரு எதிர்ப்பு சக்தியை கொடுக்கக்கூடியது. Antibacterial. பாக்டீரியாவுக்கு ஒரு எதிர்ப்பு கொடுக்கக்கூடியது. Antibacterial enzyme. Lysozyme. Lysozyme. Yes, based on the size and location they are classified. Major salivary gland, minor salivary gland. Major salivary gland 3 pairs. Major salivary gland 3 pairs. One is parotid gland, submandibular gland, sublingual gland. Okay, located outside the oral cavity. Secretion reach the mouth through the ductal system. Next one, tongue. Tongue is a muscular sensory organ. Yes, muscular sensory organ which help in mixing the food with saliva. இது என்ன செய்யுது? Food mix பண்ணுது saliva கூட. The taste bud on the tongue help to recognize the taste of food. Taste buds are there. See the picture everybody. Taste bud. See the front apex, filiform egual papillae, fungiform lingual papillae, medium lingual sulcum, circumingual papillae, sulcum terminals, foramen cecum, lingual tonsil, palatine tonsil, epiglottis. Epiglottis. Everybody saw the parts of the tongue? Yes. Here tasty buds also there. That one not here given. Tasty buds. Tasty buds are there. Okay. Yes. The tasty buds and the tongue help to recognize the taste of the food. Recognize the taste of the food. The masticated food is buccal cavity become bolus, which is rolled by the tongue and passed through the pharynx into the esophagus by swallowing. During swallowing, the epiglottis at the tip of glottis beginning the trachea closes prevent the food from the entering into the trachea windpipe. Muscular flap-like structure at the tip of the glottis beginning of the trachea. Beginning of the trachea closes and prevents the food from entering into the trachea. அது வந்து எது உள்ள உழுங்கிறதுக்கு இதுதான் அது வந்து உதவியா இருக்கு. Tongue. Next one, see pharynx. Pharynx is a membrane lined cavity behind the nose and mouth. நோஸுக்கும் மவுத்துக்கும் நோஸுக்கும் மவுத்துக்கும் இடையில. Behind the nose and mouth. Lined cavity is there. Okay. Connecting them to esophagus. Esophagus connect பண்ணத இடத்துல இருக்குது. Connecting the esophagus. Okay, next one, esophagus. Everybody see this picture. Esophagus is a tube-like structure from the pharynx to stomach. In between that tube-like structure, that is a esophagus. Esophagus, the bolus is moved along by the wave-like muscular contraction. The food is going inside. That muscular contraction called peristalsis. Peristalsis. For the medium size bolus, it takes about 5 to 8 seconds to reach the stomach. By 5 to 8 seconds to reach the stomach. 5 to 8 seconds to reach the stomach. 5 to 8 seconds want. அது தொண்டையில pharynxல இருந்துட்டு ஸ்டொமக்குக்கு போயிடும். 5 to 8 seconds. Okay. That is long tube-like structure. Esophagus or food pipe. This muscular membranous canal 22 centimeter in length. 22 centimeter in length. It contacts food from pharynx to the stomach by peristalsis. Wave-like movement. Peristalsis means what? Wave-like movement. Peristalsis produced by the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the muscular balls and alimentary canals. Produced by the rhythmic contraction. Rhythmic contraction. அது வந்து சோறு ஏதோ சாப்பிடுறது அப்படி உள்ள போகும்போது அந்த rhythmic contraction and relaxation. சுருங்கி விரியும். சுருங்கி விரியும். Okay. Rhythmic contraction and relaxation of muscular walls of alimentary canals. Okay. Esophagus, everybody understood? How many centimeter? 22 centimeter from the pharynx to stomach. That is a muscular membranous canal. It is a food pipe. We can say like this. It is a food pipe. It contains food from pharynx to the stomach by peristalsis. By the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of muscular walls and alimentary canals. Okay. Stomach. Stomach is a wide J-shaped muscular organ located between esophagus and the small intestine. Esophagus க்கும் small intestine க்கும் இடையில ஒரு wide J-shaped muscular organ. Everybody see the picture? It is your stomach. Yes? Yes, esophagus. The stomach is inside that. After that, small intestine will start. Duodenum, next to small intestine. Okay? Yes. Esophagus. That stomach. Fundus of stomach, which is area above the level of cardiac orifice. The body of stomach, which is largest region of the stomach. Pyloric part. It is divided into pyloric antrum and pyloric canal. Pyloric antrum, pyloric canal. Pyloric antrum, pyloric canal. Okay. Stomach. Stomach has gastric glands. Gastric glands present in the inner wall of the stomach secrete gastric juice. Gastric glands are there. That gastric glands secrete gastric juice. The gastric juice is colorless, highly acidic, containing mucus, hydrochloric acid and enzymes. Renin and pepsin. Renin and pepsin. Inactive pepsinogen is converted into pepsin. Pepsinogen is converted into pepsin, which act as protein in ingested food. Hydrochloric acid kills the bacteria swallowed along the food and make the medium acidic. The food அப்படி வயிற்றுக்குள்ள போகுதுல அதை வந்து ஹைட்ரோக்ளோரிக் ஆசிட் மிக்ஸ் பண்ணி பாக்டீரியாவெல்லாம் கொன்னுட்டு இது என்னது அசிடிக் ஃபார்ம் ஆக்கிரும். While the mucus protects the walls of stomach. Mucus protects the walls of stomach. The action of gastric juice and churning of food in stomach convert the bolus into semi-digested food. இதுக்குள்ள mucus கலந்து gastric juice mix பண்ணி அது நல்ல churning of food and convert the bolus into semi-digested. இப்போ பாதி digest ஆன food அப்படியே போகும். Chyme is called chyme. The semi-digested food called chyme. The chyme moves into the intestine slowly through the pylorus. Pylorus வழியா எங்க போகும்? Intestine, small intestine க்கு போகும். அது என்னது? Half digested food வந்து semi-digested food. Semi-digested food that will go inside the small intestine. Okay, small intestine. Okay, children. Here in the stomach, gastric glands are there. Gastric glands secreting gastric juice. After pepsinogen is converted into pepsin, renin, hydrochloric acid, mucus, Gastric juice is secreting. Gastric juice is colorless, highly acidic, containing mucus, hydrochloric acid and enzymes renin and pepsin. What are the juice are there? Hydrochloric acid, mucus, enzymes renin and pepsin. Okay, these all mixed with the food and make a digestive off digestion finish in the stomach. Okay, after that off digested, that is a semi digested food is called chyme. Chyme is going to the intestine through the pylorus. Chyme moves to the intestine slowly through the pylorus. Renin causes curdling of milk protein, casein and increases digestion of protein. Renin, renin, renin spelling. Convert angiotensin to angiotensin and regulate the absorption of water and sodium from the glomerular filtrate. Okay, now alimentary canal structure, mouth finish, teeth finish, salivary glands finish, tongue, pharynx, esophagus, stomach. These are completed. After next part I will teach next day. Now your homework. This part you read properly and write 10 fill in the blanks. Write 10 fill in the blanks. That is in the homework note. Draw the parts of human digestive system in classwork. Draw the parts of human digestive system in the classwork note. Okay. Everybody read this lesson properly and write 10 fill in the blanks and draw the picture digestive system in your classwork note. Okay, children.